Okay guys, this is your 7th tutorial in PHP and we're going to look at data types. The first data type is a string, right? And this one is in double quotes, right? So if we run that, we're going to get, this is a string which is a collection of letters which make up text. We can also have a string in single quotes, okay? I'll explain to you in a sec the difference, okay? So if we save that, we should still get the same result when I refresh this page. It shouldn't be anything different. And yes, we do. Okay, so single and double quotes. Now we can also have, let's not get rid of that, integers. And I can put in ECHO, and I can put in the number 40. Now this is a whole number. Integers are whole numbers. Nothing else, no decimals, they're whole numbers. Okay, always remember that. That should come up to say 40. So there we go. The next one we have is going to be a float. A float is basically a number with decimals, so 45.678. Okay, so semicolon, save that, go back in here, and then refresh that page, and there you go. Okay, the last one is a boolean. Okay, and the boolean is either true or false. Okay, that's all it can be, true or false. So we just print out true. Okay. So when you're basically doing something, if it's not true, it's not going to print. It's just going to say, it's not true, so why would I print it? It will print false, so sometimes it won't print anything, okay? Just to show a Boolean value. I know it's just, something to make the word true, but still it is the Boolean value of that. That's going to take us time this time, but anyway, you know what it is. It's just true or false. So there you go, that's what we have. String, which is in single or double. If we're using double, sometimes we would use single